Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and often surprising topic: eating insects. It may sound unusual, but insects are a significant source of food for many cultures around the world. Let's explore where they're commonly consumed, what they taste like, their safety and health benefits, and weigh the pros and cons of incorporating them into our diets. In countries like Thailand, Mexico, and parts of Africa, insects are a delicacy. Popular choices include crickets, mealworms, and grasshoppers. In fact, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations estimates that over 2 billion people globally consume insects regularly. They're often found in street food, traditional dishes, or even gourmet cuisine. The flavor can vary depending on the species and preparation method. Crickets and grasshoppers often have a savory, nutty taste, making them an excellent snack when roasted and seasoned. Mealworms have a mild flavor similar to that of sunflower seeds. Many people who try them for the first time are pleasantly surprised at how tasty they can be. Are insects dangerous to eat? Generally, when sourced from reputable suppliers and properly prepared, insects are safe to eat. However, it's crucial to ensure they are cooked thoroughly to kill any harmful bacteria or parasites. Allergies can also be a consideration, as some individuals may be allergic to insects, especially if they have shellfish allergies. Insects are highly nutritious and packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. For example, crickets contain about 60% protein by weight and are rich in essential amino acids. They also provide important nutrients like iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporating insects into your diet can be a sustainable way to meet your nutritional needs. On the plus side, insects have a much lower environmental impact compared to traditional livestock. They require less land, water, and feed, making them a more sustainable food source. Additionally, they produce fewer greenhouse gases. The potential for a nutritious and sustainable food source is a powerful argument in favor of eating insects. On the downside, cultural perceptions can pose a challenge. Many people in Western countries still find the idea of eating insects unappealing, which can hinder acceptance. Additionally, there are logistical challenges in terms of farming, harvesting, and processing insects on a larger scale. Eating insects may not be mainstream in many cultures, but they offer a sustainable, nutritious food source that could play an essential role in the future of global food security. If you're feeling adventurous, consider trying some edible insects for yourself. You might discover a new favorite snack. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know your thoughts about insect consumption in the comments below. See you next time.